Hi everyone, my name is Tim and I'm the CEO of Talos Systems. We're building a new operating system to host your Kubernetes clusters. It's open source and based on Linux, and it's different in a lot of ways from traditional OSs. There's no SSH or console access. Instead, everything is managed via a modern API. Our goal is to eliminate most of the day-to-day management tasks for your host OS, letting you focus on your Kubernetes cluster and the applications that it's running. Here's a really quick overview of the architecture. The Talos components are in blue and Kubernetes is in pink. You can use the API or the CLI called Talos CTL to control the system services, fetch log files, request updates, and everything else you need to manage the system. And just like normal, you'll use kubectl to interact with Kubernetes. Talos is compatible with most cloud platforms, bare metal hardware, and virtualization. The easiest way to try it is to run a test cluster on your laptop using Docker. Here are the steps. First, make sure that you have Docker installed and running, and then download the Talos CTL binary from GitHub. Run Talos CTL cluster create. It will take a minute or two for all of the images to download and for the cluster to start. Now that you have a cluster running, you can play with some of the Talos CTL commands. Try, for example, Talos CTL containers to list the containers running on the system. What you have here is a small Kubernetes cluster. You can fetch the kubeconfig by running talosctl kubeconfig. Then run a couple more commands that are outlined in our documentation, and you can start using kubectl to interact with your new cluster. When you're done, run talosctl cluster destroy to stop the cluster and clean up. Thanks for watching. You can find the downloads and source code on GitHub. If you need help, stop by our Slack channel. We'd love to hear from you.